Hi everybody, this is Jeff Anthony Garcia, the General Manager here at Palm Harbor Homes in Fort Worth at the factory. And today I wanted to bring you and present to you the Santa Fe model. This is a 16 by 76, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Our model number is FF16763G. Now this is part of our Fiesta series homes, so this is going to be a full tape and textured home. But before we get into that, I'm going to let you know, just like our Lago Mira video, this home is a completely packaged home, so there's a lot to go through, and I'll try to do it as quickly as possible. What I'm going to do is go ahead and put up the order confirmation along with a video of the walkthrough of the home, also pictures kind of disclosing what these upgrades are. Now this home is available for immediate purchase. Typically upon purchasing your home, we can deliver it within the next 7 to 10 days and work to get you into your home within the next 30 days. So if we put that on the clock, you can get into your home for the beginning of the year. How an exciting way to start 2022, but in your new Santa Fe model. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So we're going to see here page number 1 of the order confirmation. On this page, it's going to go over all the color details of what we selected for the decor in the home. So I'm going to go ahead and let you take a look at that because we're not going to spend much time on that. As I mentioned, we're going to move on to the actual go ahead and pack your lunch and upgrade this. This is going to be a great particular model. Let's go ahead and let's move along. So part of this Santa Fe package, you would get upgraded island countertops. You have an entertainment center in the living room. At that entertainment center, you have wood accents. You also have accented walls in the master bedroom. You also get an entertainment center in the master bedroom with an archway. And back to the kitchen, you get the sweepo vac in the kitchen island. This is a really cool feature because as you're gonna find out, this home only has carpet in the bedrooms, and everything else is gonna be our vinyl plank elements flooring that's going to be put down. So as you sweep your house, you can sweep all the debris into where this vacuum is, where it can sweep it up and bag it for you, saving you lots of precious time and taking that edge off of your back. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on. You also have the pop-up charging station in the kitchen island. This home will come with the dishwasher installed. One of the most amazing features of this home is the trade ceiling with an accent that runs from the living room, dining room, through the kitchen. As I mentioned earlier, you would get elements floor tile in the living room and the hallway. Even though it's not listed here, that includes your bathrooms and your kitchen and your dining room, and as I said, right there, the living room. You're also going to get molding throughout your home. There's different sizes, but the whole entire house does have cove molding, whether it be baseboard, a door jamb, or just the ceiling molding as well. So your ceiling molding is 2.5 inch. Your door moldings are 2.25 inch, and so are your baseboards. Jumping back into the kitchen, we have the black kitchen sink. We also have the pull down kitchen faucet. One of my favorite features on any home that we offer is the 72-inch ceramic tile open face shower. So as you know, I'm all about the showers. It also comes with a rainforest shower head. We have LED lighting in the kitchen, dining room, living room, above the entertainment center, the master bath shower, over the vanities in the master bath, and also the hallway. You also have pendant lighting over the island. You also have double shelves in the master closet. In the kitchen, you get 42-inch cabinets with overhead cubbies. You also have a glass chimney hood in the kitchen. You have full tile backsplash at the chimney hood, and it also comes with a 6-inch rock backsplash in the kitchen. Your countertops will come with crescent edge in the kitchen, and also an open shelf lavy in the master bathroom. You get the Santa Fe exterior. You also get the wainscot on the hitch end, so that's just a different look to it versus all being one color all the way on where we actually transport the home from the front end of the house. We have fixed pane windows in the dining room. Fixed pane windows means that they cannot be raised or lowered or slid back and forth. It is affixed all the way. You get a transom window in the living room, left to right, on the left and right side of the front door. You have a picture window at the kitchen, so that way when you're washing dishes, you can look out into your beautiful piece of property. And then we omitted the kitchen valances on here. You get something called the T2 laundry service, or center, I'm sorry. Oh, if we gave you laundry service, that would be great, right? See good old Jeff Anthony over there washing your clothes. Doesn't come part of the deal, but we do give you the laundry center, which basically gives you 2 base cabinets and a shelf over the washer and dryer area. You have 4 tray ceiling beams that are installed in the living room, dining room, and the kitchen. You have an overhead cabinet over the master bath commode. Okay, let's go ahead and move on to the next page here. But before I do that, let me turn off the ringer to my phone before we get interrupted. So, be right back. And I'm back, super quick. All right. So, a lot of this now is going to probably be repeated because it's all part of the package. But the Santa Fe exterior comes standard. The wainscoting, the exterior faucet at the rear of this home, that is awesome because typically most of our homes do not come with an exterior water faucet. So that's good that it comes with it because it's frost free, so that way when you connect your hose, you can water your plants, your grass, or just wet your kids or your spouse just for the heck of it. All right, so our floor joists are 2x6 on 16-inch on centers. That means the center of each stud is separated by 16 inches. Our side walls are 2x4s. Our siding is smart panel OSB, and the home is built to the wind zone 1 requirement. Our doors, you have an exterior door, cottage rear, out swinging versus in swinging. You have a 38 by 82 fiberglass door at the front. We have low E vinyl windows throughout the home. You have your picture window above the sink, your transom windows, and the fixed pane windows. So the nice thing, they're all vinyl low E, giving you a very energy efficient window. Thermal insulation, you have an R21 insulation in the ceiling, R13 in the walls, R11 in the subfloor. So this can go basically anywhere in Texas and also New Mexico and Oklahoma. Flooring, there's the carpet brand that we use is Shaw, model Arena. Comes in basically just the bedrooms. Everything else will have that vinyl plank floor in it. So in the interior, you have accented wood at the entertainment center. You have an accent wall in the kitchen and master bath, accented wall in the living room and dining room as well. You have the 2-inch blinds that come throughout the entire home, saving you additional money because we know right now blinds, just the standards, are anywhere between $75 to $120 each. So with the full amount of windows that actually come in this home, that's going to save you several $100s. Okay. You also have the distressed white wrap cabinets in the home with the 8.5 flat ceilings from one end to the other end. We have a knockdown finish in the ceiling versus popcorn. We have the tray ceiling in the living room, dining room, kitchen as well with the sauteed mushroom accent color. We have 4 wood beams that are put into the tray ceiling, just giving you an excellent aesthetic look through the main portion of the house. Your interior doors are 6 panels. Alrighty, and let's go ahead and move on to the next page here, which is the door stops are all wall mounted versus being on the floor. The entertainment center is suspended in the living room area, also in the master bedroom. Your floor decking is oriented strand board, tongue and grooved. Your cabinets will have pulls on them, which are brushed nickel. Same thing with your interior doors. Once again, your molding for the baseboards are 2 1/4 inch. Your cove molding is 2.5 inches, and your door casings are 2.25. Once again, you get the 42-inch cabinets with cubbies, including over the refrigerator. You have shelves with wood rods throughout the entire home versus the wire rack, and then squared corners. This is a full tape and textured house. On here, we remove the valances in the kitchen. So let's go into the kitchen. You have a 6-inch rock backsplash. We have upgraded countertops on the island. You get a dishwasher with your home. The edging is crescent. The faucet, which will be a midnight chrome pull down, which will also come with the black farm sink, which is a little bit further down. Sorry about that. Talks about the colors that we would get for your island, but it comes with an electrical deluxe range, also with the glass chimney and the 18 cubic foot refrigerator. Tile backsplash all the way full behind the chimney hood, going all the way to the ceiling. Your Sweepovac island vacuum as well. Now, leading to the last page here, or actually the last 2 pages, we're going to go into the utility room. So you're going to get the upflow furnace, which moves your vents from the floor and moves them up to the ceiling. You're also going to get the laundry center, which I mentioned gives you two cabinets and a shelf over the washer and dryer area, and also a rod so you can hang your clothes to dry. You have a 30-gallon electrical water heater protected by a pan drain that flows downwards and not on the actual floor. The electrical portion of the house, you have ceiling fans that are installed in the living room and master bedroom. They're also wired and braced for it in those 2 locations. You also have a icon in the entertainment section, which means that it's prepped for whether your TV service or internet provider can run their cabling through and get you all set up. Once again, we talked about the disc lighting, not bulbs, but actual LED modules in the kitchen, dining room, living room, at the entertainment center, the master shower, and over the lavvies, the master bath, guest bath, and in the hallway. Your LED pendant lights as well. Your home is a 200 total electrical amp package. You have an exterior GFI, which is an outlet. Then you have the USB charging station that pops up on the island. And then you have a switch in the walk-in closets in the master bedroom, and a programmable thermostat. So let's go ahead and move into the master bathroom, where you're going to have base cabinets, of course, base cabinets with 2 lavvies in the master bath. You have cabinets over the elongated commodes. The sinks are china, or what we call porcelain as well. The mirrors are wood trim versus just there. We'll have elements floor versus carpeting. We'll also have the rain forest midnight chrome shower head with the 72-inch open faced shower. Then that's with the 2-inch backsplashing. In the guest bathroom, we have the elongated commodes, a tub drape with sidewall. Let's go ahead and look into the last page, finishing out the guest bathroom with the china lavvy, also the wood trim mirrors, element floors, the 2-inch backsplash, and then the 4-piece tub shower. That completes the order of the Santa Fe. I thank you for watching all the way through here. Now let's get to the part you want to know, which is the price. So the price that I'm going to be showing here is our factory price, which includes normal delivery, normal setup, AC installed, vinyl skirting, front and back entry steps. Basically within 100 miles from our location here at the factory in Fort Worth. If you happen to go, or you're over 100 miles, you can add $20 per additional mile to give you a general estimate of what you can expect the overall cost to be. So here's your price. It's pretty fancy, and it's very affordable in the contents that most of our single wides that we're seeing in the market now are well over 120,000. We're definitely under that mark. And even if you are further out, you'll still be under that mark. So it's a win-win for you and a win-win for us. As always, you can contact us at 817-766-4250. As always, I appreciate you for your time and always tuning in. And if you ever have anything as far as an idea of what other type of content I can provide you, don't be scared to send me a comment, a message. I'd be happy to take that feedback and try to work in getting you content that you can enjoy, because I know 15 minutes of is not always the most entertaining thing, but I do appreciate you. And from deep in my heart, we love you. We hope to see you soon. God bless.